Here we have a 2001 Jeep Wrangler TJ. We're going to be doing a full restoration on this frame, and while we're in there we're going to be adding a 3-inch lift kit to it with some really nice Rancho RS 5000X shocks. This frame has a lot of surface rust on it. We're going to clean all that off of there. And the key to doing a nice frame restoration is to take everything apart. Once everything's apart, you can get in there really good, clean everything out, and then spray your new coating on. So we're going to jump ahead to the freshly sprayed coating here. And now that the coating has dried, all the new suspension components have been reinstalled. Everything was re-greased, reinstalled correctly, and this Jeep's going to last for a long time now. It's good we got in there and did all the rust protection now, because these Jeeps really rust out, and they're usually like Swiss cheese by the time we get a hold of them. And this was a really nice one to work on. So if you guys need rust repair, frame repair, we got you covered. Give us a call here and we'll take care of it for you. Thanks for watching the video, everybody.